try to print something and nothing happens. You check the printer, it looks fine. You open services, and there it is. The print spooler has stopped. You start it manually. It works for a minute, then it stops again. This is one of the most frustrating Windows problems because it feels random, and most fixes don't actually stick. Let me walk you through how to fix it properly, step by step. First, let's quickly cover what the print spooler actually does. The print spooler is a Windows service that manages every print job. When you click print, the job goes to the spooler first. The spooler processes it, queues it, and then sends it to your printer. If the spooler crashes, nothing prints. Not Word documents, not PDFs, not browser pages. So if it keeps stopping, we need to figure out why, not just restart it over and over. Let's start with the basics. First fix, restart the print spooler correctly. Press the Windows key and type Services. Open the Services app. Scroll down until you see Print Spooler. Right-click it and choose Stop. Wait about 5 seconds. Then right-click it again and choose Start. Now try printing something. If it crashes again within a minute or two, don't worry. That tells us there's probably corrupted data behind the scenes. Let's fix that next. Second fix, clear the Print Spooler files. This is the fix that works for most people. First, stop the Print Spooler again from Services. Now, open File Explorer. In the address bar, go to /Windows /System 32 /Spool /Printers. If Windows asks for permission, allow it. Inside this folder, delete everything. These are stuck print jobs and corrupted spooler files. Don't worry. You're not deleting drivers or breaking anything, you're just clearing the queue. Once the folder is empty, go back to Services and start the print spooler again. Try printing now. If the spooler still stops, we move on. Third fix, make sure the print spooler is set to automatic. Open Services again. Right-click Print Spooler and choose Properties. In the General tab, look for Startup Type. Set it to automatic. Click Apply. Now click the Recovery tab. Set the first failure to restart the service. Set second failure to restart the service. Set subsequent failures to restart the service. This tells Windows, if this crashes, don't give up, restart it automatically. Click OK. Fourth fix, update your printer drivers. This is a big one, especially after Windows updates. Old or corrupted drivers can crash the spooler constantly. Go directly to your printer manufacturer's website. Don't rely on Windows Update. Search for your exact printer model. Download the latest full driver package, not just a basic one. Install it and restart your computer afterward. Fifth fix, remove printers you no longer use. Extra printers can cause conflicts, especially old network or USB printers. Go to Settings, then Printers and Scanners. Remove anything you don't actively use. If you haven't used a printer in months, remove it. Less clutter means fewer spooler problems. Sixth fix, clean up corrupted registry entries. Only do this if the problem still isn't fixed. Press Windows, key +R, type regedit and press Enter. Navigate to Accept the WinPrint folder. Do not delete WinPrint. Close the registry editor and restart your computer. At this point, most print spooler issues are resolved. If the spooler still keeps stopping after all of this, there may be deeper system corruption or a hardware conflict that needs hands-on diagnosis. If you need live help, you can get it at bit.ly/askatech, link in the description. Quick recap. Restart the print spooler properly. Clear the printers folder. Set the service to automatic with recovery options. Update your printer drivers. Remove unused printers. Most of the time, clearing those corrupted spooler files fixes everything. For the complete written guide with screenshots, visit mrgrid.io, link in the description. And if this helps you, drop a comment and let me know.